Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some amazing new DIYs that you can remake for yourselves. As always, they're simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. I'm going to begin with this glass container that I picked up from Home Goods, and I'll be just removing the top portion and setting that aside for now. Next, I'm just going to take this translucent Elmer's glue and cover the inside of my container. I'll be using this jumbo silver glitter that I pick up from my local craft store. Once I'm all done, I'm just going to set this portion of the project aside to work on the top of the project. I'll be using this Glam adhesive strip, and it is from Dollar Tree. I'm going to add this votive holder from Dollar Tree. I'm also going to add some clear base fillers and a remote control candle. And yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. What do you think? I'm going to be using this glass container from Dollar Tree as well as this iridescent fine glitter. I'm going to be using this Glam adhesive bling strip from my local craft store. Next, I'll be using this Dollar Tree fishbowl as well as some Elmer's glue, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add some large chunky glitter. And now it's just time to assemble everything. Like in the previous project, I'm going to be adding this remote control candle. And here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? So guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. 2 really simple DIYs that you can remake for yourselves. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little video because I really did enjoy making it for you. If you have, please don't forget to subscribe as well as hitting the notification bell and giving this video a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.